1st May is an International Labour Day. But Anam Prem, that is the organization to which we belong, celebrates this day in a unique way. Unique way in the sense, we don't go to labor or something, that kind of thing. But we invite certainly a number of children, around say 50, 60 or 100, from backward regions. Children who are from a disadvantaged class of the society, like orphans or from Adivasi children. We invite them to Goa for educational picnic, to 3-4 days tour of Goa. We show them Goa and beaches, temples, churches. We take them to INS Hansa, this Naval Base, then Science Center, and other places like that. Then we take them to meteorology department, so that gives a different outlook to them.
Tomorrow, that is 28th, evening they will be here. All of them, they are in total 60, group of 61, wherein 51 are children. Remaining 15 are caretakers. Or there is a group called Valhad. It's a very good group. Kolle, one of them, Mr. Kolle, Nobel Prize winner. That group is associated with that, Mr. Kolle. That group is from Amaravati.
Small character is not Nobel Prize, Padma Shri. Mr. Kolle is Padma Shri.
Tomorrow, so as they arrive, they will take rest. Next day, that is 29th, they will go to Old Goa Church and some temples in Fonda. They will return, have a lunch here, take rest, and they will, in the evening, they will visit Science Center and Dona Paula. Next day, that is 30th April, morning, every year, before that, on 29th, Amrut Singh, snake catcher, he, for last many years, he is always with us, and he shows his snake, and he specifically catches snakes for this program, and then he just frees those snakes.
Anam Prem is basically giving abundant love to the needy, basically, and this is basically done by the volunteers. Nothing, as Mr. Samant said, there is no organization, no registration, nothing. But all are welcome in this group, basically, as Anam Prem. And I thank all of you for. We have given very short notice. It was just yesterday. It was told, and everybody came as. Thank you very much.